How long do dental restorations actually last? I think the better question to ask is what kind of dental restoration was done, and was it done correctly and to the best effort of the practitioner that did it. There's a million different materials in dentistry that can be used to restore a tooth. The most common and cheapest material that the medical aids will pay for is called composite. Composite is essentially a resin-based material, which is a similar type of material to plastic. It's fairly simple to place, but it doesn't have very good properties. It's not very strong to withstand the forces of chewing. It doesn't stay the color that it's placed at initially very long. So after 6 months to a year, it absorbs moisture and discolors very quickly, so they turn very brown. They don't polish very well, so your dentist will spend 10 to 15 minutes after placement polishing the restoration, and a few weeks later it's back to being rough again. And a rough surface in your mouth is a place where plaque and bacteria loves to hide. So in that respect, composite restorations have about a 3 to 5 year lifespan, at which point they would most likely need to be replaced. Then we can move on to the far better and more superior restorations, which are your ceramic restorations. Again, there are many different types of ceramics that can be used. They all vary in strength and aesthetic quality, but all of them are far superior than composite. They're all a lot stronger. They all polish a lot smoother. They also don't discolor over time. Ceramic restorations, if they are done correctly, and if your treatment plan was done with the intention of your restorations lasting a lifetime, they can last a lifetime. If you look after them, if you wear a bite plate, if you're a grinder at night, if they are done correctly, and if your occlusion is acceptable in such a way that your teeth fit together in the correct way, then your ceramics can last a lifetime. If one or more of those things is not in place, then we start talking 5, 10, 15 years. It can vary. A ceramic can last 1 year, it can last 35 years. It all depends on the treatment plan.
Your dentist, your choice.